brand is the promise you make to the market. I try to keep things very simple. At a human level, we're all brands. And I would say in that setting, a brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. In an Irish parlance, I grew up learning about reputation. Your reputation was critical. Well, what is that if it's not your brand?
That was Margaret Molloy, a master marketer and advocate for Brand Ireland. And I'm John Lee.
And I'm Martin Nutty. Welcome to another episode of Irish Stew, the podcast for the global Irish nation.